Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this DeWalt drill driver impact driver combo kit. So it comes with these two, very cool. Also two batteries and a charger. All right, let's get into it. This is what the packaging looks like. Nice DeWalt yellow. All right, let's open this here. Oh, cool. Comes in a nice case. Wow. It's actually really nice. Comes in a nice case, just slides right out of the box. Very cool. Drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from if you guys are interested. Oh, very cool, very cool. Very nice. So, manual, no one cares about that. Here we go. Very nice. Cool. Charger. That was two batteries. Yep, it is two batteries. Battery. And second battery. And that's all. Very nice. Nice carrying case and all that. I like how good unboxing experience. Shout out to DeWalt. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well and gotta go charge this to use now. So yeah, take care everyone. Again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.